Hey there, folks. Ever dreamt of starting your own online business but didn't know where to start? Well, I've got some exciting news for you. Introducing EasyViralBiz.com, your one-stop solution to kickstart your online business journey. It's a proven blueprint that will help you earn daily, all while enjoying time with your family and from the comfort of your home. Imagine this no more. 9 to 5 grind, no more missing out on family time and no more stress about commuting. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's not. It's a reality that you can achieve with EasyViralBiz.com. This blueprint is not just a guide, it's a step-by-step plan that has been proven to work. It's designed to help you build a successful online business from scratch, even if you have zero experience. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to EasyViralBiz.com and start your journey towards financial freedom and a balanced lifestyle. Remember, the first step is always the hardest, but with EasyViralBiz.com, it's as easy as pie. See you on the other side, folks.